Is the thing recording? Okay, yeah. Just so you guys know, it's completely fake. No blood. Just fake. It's all food dye. Red food coloring. It's been in there for like 5 days. That's why it's all brown. I'm gonna put it right behind my sister's chicken. So when when I tell her that there's roaches in her chicken, she freaks out even more. Molly! Hey, you got roaches in your KFC chicken. Yeah, roaches.
What is that? What is that? Like...
Why are you touching me? Ah! Molly.
What?
It's fake.
Ew. Why would you put that in the...
Say goodbye to the friendly people of YouTube. Please don't get me back.